How y'all doing?
Oh, man.
Hey, you have a whole lot of keys there.
Yeah, I got a lot of keys. Ooh, don't fall, buddy.
Then I did more damage than good, so.
Yeah, that's usually what happens. Alrighty, let's try this
And it's
first.
just going to be the top one for the handle.
Just the top one?
Yeah.
Alright, do you remember what direction it turns?
It's going to turn to the right.
Let's see. You lied to me.
What's that?
You lied to me.
Did it go the other way?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, I tried for like 2 seconds to turn it the other way.
Thank you.
Watch this. Let's see if.
Ah.
I knew it. It's that way.